Let me show you how to calculate the centripetal acceleration. For Oaks Park, we almost always use this one, that the centripetal acceleration is 4 pi squared r over the period squared, right? Okay, and we just figured out that that period is about 16.24 seconds. I'll show you how to figure out the radius of the Ferris wheel or the various rides, right? Okay. But more importantly, I feel like I want to show you how to make it look nice for your slideshow. Okay. So anyway, let's dip out of here. I guess we could keep that. All right. So let's take a look at these formulas, right? So you can actually make it look kind of like this. Okay. So let me first show you how we get the radius of the Oaks Park, of the Ferris wheel. So go take a look. On there, there's a link to the Ferris wheel. So if you click on that, you can find that. And notice that there's links for all of these, right? So the 0G, you're looking for the radius of that. Hello. There's the radius is 4.3, right? Hello. And then what's the other one? I guess we could have the Rocco plane, right? That's 5.64 meters there. Okay, so we can find all the radiuses there. But let's take a look. Let's make this thing look nice. Okay, so what you're going to do this is you want to go and insert a formula or an equation. So insert an equation. It brings up this little toolbar. Now I'm going to stick a fraction in there. Okay. Let's stick a fraction in there. Okay. And then I'm going to put a 4 there, and then we want a pi squared. This is really small, isn't it? Here, let me show you how to make a formula bigger. Select the formula and choose a bigger font, so like that, okay? So I'm going to go 4, and now on the top there, I know I want a pi squared, so you got to think ahead. If you want pi squared, you got to insert a character with a superscript. So insert that first, then put the pi in there. Now hit the right arrow, squared. Now hit the right arrow again. We're back on that line there, right? 4 pi squared r. Okay, and then in the denominator, we want a t squared. So again, insert something with a superscript. Then type your t. Then hit the right arrow, and then squared, right? And then what is this? This is centripetal acceleration, right? So let's insert this guy. I want to... So you don't have to do this. I'm just sort of dweebing out here. AC, and then let's go right, and then let's go. Isn't that nice? Oh, look at that. There we go. And now we want to go, we want to put the numbers in, right? Okay, so I'm going to copy that. Let's copy that. Watch this. Now I'm going to paste this. Ooh. Now we can put numbers in, right? Put a number there. Put a number here. Then what are our numbers? Let's see. The Ferris wheel is, what is it? 7.25. Okay. There it is. 7.25 is our radius. Okay, and then our period that we got was 16.24 seconds, wasn't it? Which is like a little overkill to have hundredths of a place, right? Okay. And then if I do that calculation, I get that it's 1.09 roughly meters per second squared. Wow, that's interesting. Okay. Just went off and it disappeared. Okay, I'm going to make this smaller. This is, by the way, a keystroke. It's a very handy keystroke. On the Mac, it's Shift Command in the left, like the less than sign or the greater than sign. It's the leftmost of those two. I don't know what they're called. All right, so there that is. And now what we want to do is we actually want to stick that in our slideshow. So I'm going to screenshot this. See, I wish Slides had an equation editor, but it doesn't. So you make your equations in Google Docs, and then you screenshot them once they're correct into Google Slides. So I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to do Shift Control Command 4, which makes my cursor into an attractive crosshairs. And then it is. And then I go to my slide. I just click on the slide and I do paste. And there it is. That is just beautiful. We're going to be so impressed. Okay. You could take a look at that. Here, I'm going to dress this thing up a little bit. Let's grab this. This is a good picture. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just totally geeking out. You can just stop watching this video, but if you want to keep watching it, I'm just going to be I'm going to geek out here. All right. I'm just screenshotting. I love screenshots. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That's kind of nice. It's shapely. All right. A line. How about a little bigger line? 2 point. How about a color? How do I change the color of it? The line weight. It's got to be a color. That's okay. Color is overrated. Oh, wow. Oh, what if I hit the control key? Oh, geez, what did that do? Control. Okay, let's see. Command. I'm just trying to nudge this over. That's not doing it. Okay, I just have to move it myself. Oh, look at that. From there to, let me copy that. All right, look at that. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, I'm just being all fancy here. And then I'm going to say that is 6 cycles. How much was it? That was 197.4 seconds. So one cycle, 16.24 seconds. By the way, the Ferris wheel does not run at that speed anymore, so don't copy my... All right, let's see. Oh, look at that. Now we need, look at this. I'm just, let's see, an arrow. Let's put an arrow in there. Okay. I don't know. All right, let's do another arrow. Arrow. But that looks nice. Doesn't that look nice? Except this font's too small. All right, I'm going to do that keystroke again. Oh, no, I'm not. Doesn't work in this thing. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. I just jumped the shark there. All right, look at this. Baby. Doesn't that look nice? I'm gonna stop recording.